How to create TikTok account. Hey there, welcome back to the channel, and let's get right into this quick and easy tutorial. To create a TikTok account, it is pretty simple as it will take you only few minutes. Starting off, launch a TikTok application in your device. Then tap on the profile icon that is in the bottom right corner. Now to create your TikTok account, click on the three horizontal line at the top. From here, click on the Sign Up button. Select on Sign Up. Now you have some of the ways to sign up for your TikTok. That is the manual way to enter your phone number and continue. While the easiest way are to continue with email, Facebook or Google. For your own convenience, we suggest you to select on either continue with Facebook or continue with Google, as it will take you just couple of minutes. Select on continue with Google option. Now if you have multiple of Google account, just select on a particular Google account that you wish to link up with the TikTok. And just with a simple click, you'll be on to the next process. Moving on, complete the given processes such as entering your date of birth, then tap on OK. Now create a nickname or you can skip it as well. Tap on the continue button. Right after you do this, you have successfully created your very own TikTok account. Wasn't it simple? Now you can check out many fun videos and upload on your own as well. This sums up the tutorial. Thank you so much for tuning in.